Hi guys! Today we'll talk about the present continuous tense. We will talk about its form, its use, and I will provide you with plenty of examples from different movies and series where this tense was used. So let's begin. First, let's start with the form.
The present continuous tense is made from the present simple tense of the verb to be and the ing form of a main verb. In the positive or affirmative form in singular, we have I am reading or I'm reading, you are reading or you're reading, and he, she, it is reading or he, she, it's reading. In the positive form in plural, we have we are reading, you are reading, and they are reading. Of course, you can make this shorter and say we're reading, you're reading, and they're reading. The negative form is made by simply adding not after the verb to be. In singular, we will have I am not reading or I'm not reading, you are not reading or you aren't reading, he, she, and it is not reading or he, she, and it isn't reading. In plural, we will have we are not reading, you are not reading, and they are not reading. Of course, you can make this shorter and simply say we aren't reading, you aren't reading, and they aren't reading. To form questions, we simply change the word order and we put the verb to be before the subject. So the questions are, am I reading? Are you reading? Is he, she, and it reading? Are we reading? Are you reading? And are they reading?
Next, let's take a look at how this tense is used.
The first and the most basic rule is that we use the present continuous for an action that is happening now, at or around the moment of speaking. For example, we can say she's drinking coffee at the moment. We also use the present continuous when we are in the middle of an action, which has begun but is not finished. For example, we can say, I'm cleaning my room. Another important rule is that we use the present continuous to suggest that an action is temporary, as opposed to the present simple, which we use to suggest that an action is permanent. So, for example, we can say, he usually works from the office, but this week he's working from home. We often use these adverbs and adverbial phrases with the present continuous tense. Now, at the moment, at present, currently, today, this week, this month, this year, still, etc. We use the present continuous with changes and developing situations happening around now, with verbs such as change, get, increase, rise, fall, or improve. For example, we can say the Earth's temperature is rising. Generally, always is used with the present simple tense, but sometimes we use the present continuous tense with always for an action that happens too much or too often and therefore annoys us or irritates us. For example, we can say, you are always losing your glasses. We sometimes use the present continuous to talk about the future, precisely to talk about the future arrangements. A future arrangement is a plan that you have decided and organized with another person. So, for example, we can say, she's seeing her friends tonight.
Finally, let's look at some examples from different movies and series.
What the hell? Is she drinking coffee? People are sleeping.
I'm reading To Kill a Mockingbird for the third time.
The enemy is preparing for war.
I'm staying with you guys.
I think that you're taking too many extracurricular activities this semester, and I've decided that you should drop school annual.
Murphy, rotation is increasing. Shear is 90 knots, 50 outbound, 40 inbound.
People skills are really improving.
How am I supposed to be comfortable with the idea that you can take care of me and the baby if you are always getting high?
I seen him. He's always stuffing his face when Moss is not.
So I'm meeting her Wednesday to do it.
Oh.
We are. He's meeting us here.
No, Rachel is meeting us here.
I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much and goodbye for now.